Welcome to this tutorial on integrating Uniswap SDK setup. Uniswap is a popular decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade Ethereum-based tokens in a trustless and permissionless manner. The Uniswap SDK provides a set of tools and libraries that make it easy to integrate Uniswap functionality into your application. To get started with integrating Uniswap SDK setup, you will need to install the Uniswap SDK library. You can do this by running a command in your terminal. The Uniswap SDK library provides a range of features including the ability to fetch prices and liquidity data, execute trades and provide liquidity to the protocol. Once you have installed the library, you can import it into your project and start using its features. The first step is to set up a provider, which is an object that provides access to the Ethereum blockchain. You can use a provider such as Infura or Alchemy to connect to the Ethereum mainnet or one of the test nets. With the provider set up, you can then create a Uniswap SDK instance and use it to fetch data from the Uniswap protocol. For example, you can use the SDK to fetch the current price of a token or to get a list of all the tokens that are available on the protocol. To execute a trade using the Uniswap SDK, you will need to create a transaction and send it to the Ethereum blockchain. The SDK provides a range of functions that make it easy to create and send transactions, including the ability to specify the token you want to trade, the amount you want to trade and the slippage tolerance. When integrating Uniswap SDK setup into your application, it is a good idea to follow best practices, such as handling errors and exceptions properly and providing a good user experience. You should also make sure to test your application thoroughly to ensure that it works as expected. In conclusion, integrating Uniswap SDK setup into your application is a relatively straightforward process that can provide a range of benefits, including access to a wide range of tokens and liquidity. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and following best practices, you can easily integrate Uniswap functionality into your application.